Welcome to our 2-minute shadowing practice. Today's phrase is catch up. We use this phrase when we want to get to the same point as someone or something else. We use it for talking about friends, and we use it for talking about work. Let's practice. I will say the phrase first and then you say it after me. Ready? Let's catch up over coffee soon. I need to catch up with my sister. It was wonderful catching up with you today. We have so much to catch up on. Call me later so we can catch up properly. Are you free this weekend to catch up? Stop by the office later and we can catch up then. I need to catch up on my emails today. She is trying hard to catch up in class. I am way behind. I need to catch up fast. I'm going to catch up on some sleep this afternoon. I spent the whole night catching up on a new show. We have a lot of work to catch up on this week. It took me a week to catch up after being sick. I am trying to catch up on the news before the meeting.